Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to hide natural hair color underneath a different color braiding hair using the tuck method. Now first we're going to start off by parting off a section of the hair that we're going to use first. Then we're going to pull that hair away and grab our comb and detangle the section of hair that we're working with. Once the hair has been detangled, we're going to grab our edge control and apply it to the entire section of hair. Starting from the base, we're going to smooth it out all the way to the end. If this were a live person, this would be the time that I add my shea butter, castor oil, and any other moisturizers to the person's natural hair, just to ensure that their natural hair is protected while wearing this style. Now I'm grabbing the orange braiding hair and I'm just going to attach it to the natural hair the same way that I would attach a regular braid, but I'm going to show you how to get that tuck method. Now this is where I would start off the braid, but instead of plaiting down the natural hair as the third strand, I'm splitting one of the strands into two, and I'm going to hold the other two strands and use that third strand to cover the natural hair. So basically I'm tucking the natural hair underneath that orange braiding hair. And as you braid down, you will just continue to tuck the natural hair color underneath the colored braiding hair. And when you're reaching the end of the natural hair, you want to split the braiding hair up so that all three strands are 3 equal parts. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and do another braid in slow motion just so you all can get a better look.
What we do here is go back.
As you can see, the brown natural hair is completely hidden, and the only color you're seeing is the color of the braiding hair. Thanks so much for watching my video today, guys. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed, or if you learned something, go ahead and drop a comment and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of these new videos being posted every week. Love you so much. See you in my next video. Mwah.